Hey, what's going on, guys? I know this is a little bit different video than usual, but I kind of wanted to mix it up. I've been wanting to do a little short film for a long time. That's kind of what this was. We're setting the bait, we're setting the trap for this wolf dog, and hopefully we can get it on video. Gabby's out here roaming around, sniffing around, and just kind of help me out here, and got my old AR-15 with me. Hope you guys like this little video. It's to be continued. I'll definitely give you guys an update in a few days once we see if we get any pictures on that camera. I used one of my chickens as bait. I know some of y'all say don't use chicken. They'll come after your chickens. Well, I don't know about all that, but he's already been up there to the coop anyway. So using one of my chickens ain't gonna deter him or bring him in any closer than what he's already doing. So yeah. Just kind of looking around here. Yeah, this is a fun little video to film for y'all. I hope you guys like it, like I said. And if you did, smash that like button for me. Well, let me comment down below. Do you want to see some more of these little short films? I didn't do any talking in it. Well, that's kind of the purpose of it. Kind of just showing you all the whole setup and wandering out here and setting up the camera. And let's see if we can catch him. Like I said before, I'll keep you guys updated. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for the nice comments and the likes. We greatly appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Watch this. Right there. Boom. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.